I love this little guy over here. It's the one that I use right here in my office. I do like that it's kind of like auto close and auto opens, comes with a sensor. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds, but it's not super big. So it's not really bulky. This is a 2.6 gallon and it's like 13.5 inches tall. So I do like it because of that. I can just like drop it under my desk or something like that, but it's not super good for something big. If you have like big chunks of waste or something like that, and if you need something bigger, this is not the one for you. I do like it too for the bathroom. I'm actually thinking of getting another one for the bathroom because again, you can put it on the side of the toilet or something like that. It's not going to be super bulky. It comes with its own bag, so you can actually buy some other brands if you want, but if not, just remember that it comes with this one. So that's actually kind of cool. And take a look at this right here is the sensor. You do this, opens, and after like 2, 3, I think it was like 3 seconds, it closes back away just like that. So it's super nice and easy. And it also comes right here with an LED light. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it comes with an LED light over here. So that's the good thing about it because it is kind of like illuminated. So that's pretty cool. Again, not super big, super easy to use. Of course, comes with you need to put 2 batteries inside. So 2 AAA or AAA batteries, I think so, AA batteries, the bigger one, not the smaller ones. And it's gonna be super easy for you to use with the sensor and the soft close, just like that. And the bags, this could be your easy companion for your waste management in your office or your bathroom or whatever you want. Just keep in mind 2.6 gallon, 13.5 inches tall. I like it and I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.